In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a UPI QR code to your invoices in Zoho Books. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step so you can easily follow along and apply these changes to your own invoices for a seamless transaction experience. To get started, open Zoho Books and navigate to the main dashboard. Once there, look for the Settings option. You can usually find this in the top right corner of the screen, represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will take you to the Settings menu, where you will find various customization options for your Zoho Books account. Next, within the Settings menu, locate and select the Invoices section. This is where you'll be able to manage all of your invoice-related settings. After selecting Invoices, search for the Invoice QR Code option. This feature allows you to add a QR code to your invoices, which can streamline payment processing for your clients and customers, particularly if they prefer paying via UPI. You will notice an option to switch on the Invoice QR Code feature. Go ahead and click on this switch to enable it. Once the QR Code feature is activated, you'll need to choose the type of QR code you want to use. This usually involves selecting between different configurations that cater to your specific needs or the preferences of your clients. Opt for the type that best suits your invoicing practices and customer requirements. With the QR code type selected, you'll then need to proceed to the Configure section. Clicking on Configure will allow you to enter a custom URL. This URL serves as the link encoded within the QR code, directing clients to their payment gateway when they scan the code. It's crucial to ensure that this URL is correctly entered and leads to a secure payment page. After entering your custom URL, update the settings by clicking on the Update button. This action will apply the newly configured QR code settings to your invoices. Once updated, go ahead and finalize the changes by clicking on the Save button. Saving these changes ensures that all future invoices sent from your Zoho Books account will include the UPI QR code, making it convenient for clients to make payments directly from their mobile devices. And there you have it. You've successfully added a UPI QR code to your invoices in Zoho Books. This upgrade not only enhances the efficiency of payment processing, but also provides a modern, user-friendly solution for your clients. By following these steps, you'll ensure a smoother transaction experience, ultimately benefiting both you and your customers. Happy invoicing!